Oh, hi, I didn't see that. So, today I'm gonna tell you why I couldn't wear a hat. So, first of all, I was playing and my Wi-Fi wasn't working, and that never happens. So, as I did, I did that, and it said I was in level 1, so I worked super duper 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 super duper duper hard. And I mean super duper duper duper. And yeah, it says I'm in level 5. Yeah, right there it says I'm in level 5 because I worked like a month to go in level 5, like 5 months. So I'm gonna create Wear High because, and I'm gonna tell my friends in Roblox. So, ha 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 ha. Just like to call me Bob. I hate that that happens. My name's Suck Lady, and yeah, so I will say everyone quit royal. Everyone quit Wear High. Hey, quit. And I maybe make a group about it because yeah, like I did that to Bloxburg, but it gave me my money back. And yeah, so and this I don't know about it because I was on level 18 and yeah, so and yeah. So, was in level 18, so yeah. And subscribe and leave a comment if that ever happened to you. And my TikTok channel got deleted. I don't know why. So yeah. Bye. I don't know if I got this, but subscribe, leave a comment if that ever happened to you, and leave a like.